Robredo endorses alyansa Senate bets Abalos and Pacquiao. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. Nabayaran ng mga Villar. Okay. May natunog pang messenger. Saan ba yun? Dito. Close ko lang muna yun. Natunog yung messenger. Former Vice President Leni Robredo has endorsed 2 senatorial candidates running under the administration's Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas Coalition. So, maraming mga tao ang maraming say dito sa pangyayaring ito dahil in an unprecedented move, English, kumampi si Robredo sa BBM slate. Sa dalawang member ng alyansa. Yun, mas okay. Maraming ganon-ganon, maraming gumanon, maraming ganon. Diba? Mamaya, pag-uusapan natin yan. Former Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos and former Senator Manny Pacquiao have confirmed that Robredo assured them of her support when they separately visited her in Naga City in Camarines Sur. Robredo is running for Naga Mayor. So, sinasabi nilang dalawa na susuportahan daw sila ni Robredo. Ayon dito sa article ha. So, yun ang sinabi. Sinabi ni Benhur Abalos at Manny Pacquiao na susuportahan daw sila ni Leni Robredo sa Naga. Okay? These two are the first to be endorsed by Robredo for the Senate outside of the traditional liberal opposition circle. So, maliban kila Kiko, Bam, ewan ko kasama sila Heidi, silang dalawa yung unang in-endorse ni Robredo na outside doon sa kanilang team. Virtual team. Kasi di natin sure kung meron silang coalition pa rin or parang party. So far, the former Vice President has openly endorsed only former Senators Kiko Pangilinan and Bam Aquino, former Commissioner Heidi Mendoza, and Ramon Magsaysay awardee and Fisher Folk leader Francisco Balion. So, silang apat ang openly na in-endorse ni Robredo. Openly. So, merong wordplay tayo dyan. So, kanina, sinabi lamang nila, pangalan nito, nila Abalos at ni Pacquiao na susuportahan daw sila ni Leni. Pero dito, sa sinabi dito, mas vocal, kumbaga, si Leni Robredo sa apat na kandidatong ayun. So yun, there have been reports that Pangilinan and Aquino, both of whom are outside the Magic 12 winning circle so far in the senatorial preference surveys, could gain the blessing of the Alliance's slate after 2 months of after 2 of its members, Las Piñas Representative Camille Villar and Senator Amy Marcos, were endorsed by Vice President Sara Duterte. So sinasabi ng iba na maaari daw masama sa slate ni BBM si Kiko at si Bam. Pero di natin sure dahil wala namang nangyayari. Pero baka suportahan lang, hindi sila isama. Parang ganun yung sinasabi din ng iba. Para lang mawala yung laban-laban, bawal-bawal. Diba? Both Abalos and Pacquiao are friends of Robredo who ran against President Marcos in 2022. In the case of Abalos, Robredo endorsed him on April 23, her birthday, when he visited her in Naga. Like her late husband, former Naga Mayor Jesse Robredo, Abalos also served as Mayor of Mandaluyong City and as Interior Secretary. Ito ang sabi ni Robredo, let's help him because he has been helping Naga City for a long time, especially during the height of Typhoon Christine. Dagdag pa niya, he has been going back and forth to help us without much fanfare, but he has been consistent in helping us. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? Tama naman. That's why I'm sure that if he becomes a senator, he would help us. So let's help him. So yun sinabi niya. Ewan ko kung kay Avalos ito ha. Hindi ko sure. Kung hindi in-specify, sira ulo ng Inquirer. Pacquiao on the other hand, joined Robredo during a house-to-house campaign in Naga where she characterized him as kind and trustworthy. So, sumabay naman itong si Pacquiao kay Robredo na mag-house-to-house sa Naga. Ito sabi ni Robredo, "We will always be behind him. Even when we are rivals for the presidency in 2022, he would still help me." So, meron niyang basbas, kumbaga. May basbas siya. Okay. Confirm na. Sought for comment, Pangilinan said, "That's her prerogative. What's important is VP Leni has been helping us ever since." So, yun naman daw sinasabi ni Kiko. Mas importante naman daw na sinusuportahan pa rin sila ni Leni Robredo. Wala silang, kumbaga, hindi naman sila masyadong nagkikare about sa pag-endorse ni Leni kay Abalos at kay Pacquiao. Earlier this week, Speaker Martin Romualdez urged his party mates in the Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats Party or Lakas CMD to mobilize their resources to ensure a full alliance sweep this May 12. But several local government officials aligned with the administration still endorse Pangilinan and Aquino. Yun ang mahalaga doon, mga kaibigan. Maraming mga senador, mga kongresista at kung ano-ano pa ang nag-endorse kay Bam Aquino at Kiko Pangilinan. Negros Occidental Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson, one of the earliest endorsers, explained that while the local coalition was committed to supporting the Marcos administration slate, the reality is many are not inclined to support a straight team and are looking for possible alternative candidates. So, sabi naman ni Lacson, ni Negros Occidental Governor Lacson na hindi naman lahat ng tao straight ang iboboto maliban sa mga DDS. Diba? Pero yon yung iba naghahanap ng alternative kaya nag-endorso din sila ng ibang tao. So yon, ano masasabi nyo sa pag-endorso nila ni Leni Robredo kay Abalos at Pacquiao? Comment down below. Diba? Tapos na tayo.